Hey, it's Anna. Oh, hi. Anna. We're back. We're doing
Back in
episode
action.
6. Yeah, we skipped last week. You know, just life got in the way. That's okay. We're back. We're back in action. Ready
now.
to go. And we got a special guest today.
Hey.
Oh, Bachelor.
Yeah.
Victor Ramos. All right, welcome, Victor.
Hey.
You're in for a special treat.
Oh, I'm here with the victor of the night.
Victor of the night. That's terrible.
Take 2. So, Victor,
Of the night.
what are you cooking today?
A stir fry and vegetables.
Yeah, stir fry, spinach, and tofu.
And I'm doing the rice. That's my job.
Yeah, he's got the rice. Anna, you're making ramen on the side.
Noodles.
We got the Asian theme tonight. And, is that it?
Yeah, look at all of our oils.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, lots of oils, like soy, reduced sodium, sesame, and wait, did you get sesame seeds? Yeah, look at this. We got a lot going on, but it really, I think it'll be an easy and fun night. Okay.
I'm really excited to hear him describe this house. I definitely feel like he could possibly find the love of his life here.
This is the rose that's waiting for the date with anticipation.
Measuring a cup of rice. 1 cup of rice.
You got this.
I think I got it. Look at that. To the top.
Why I always get the mincing jobs.
Because you're the best at it. Grating
The grating, mincing, cutting,
ginger.
chopping.
Because you're so good at it.
This is the greatest.
Spinach, got it rinsed. I'm spinning the water off.
Now we're spinning the spinach.
It's like Soul Cycle spinach. JoJo's never been to Chicago, so now they get to go
I guess
inside
his
Louisville.
hometown is close to it.
He said he just had a lot of memories there, and he's whatever. Tofu's going in. Okay.
The ginger,
That was garlic.
garlic, and ginger.
Oh man.
It's pea time.
2 tablespoons. I don't know why I'm yelling. 2 tablespoons sesame seeds. Two tablespoons or teaspoons of sesame? Tablespoons. That's a lot of sesame seeds. And the tofu's all broken up. Sorry.
Got the cornstarch.
Next time. Yeah, cornstarch.
Learning lesson number 61. Final product.
Stir fry with tofu, pea thyme, and well, what kind of oil is this? Sesame oil?
Drizzled a little sesame
Yeah, just a little bit of that.
for taste.
And rice.
All right.
Which I think I made really well.
Moment of truth though.
Here
Gotta
we go.
taste test it.
Here we go. Pretty good. Excellent.
And there you have it. Back to you, Anna.
Here's the ramen. Let's go eat.
There's a lot of weight to this rose. Whoever I give this to, I just want them to feel confident that I'm ready to meet their family. Amanda. Will you accept this rose?
I know. I wasn't thinking that.
Nope, going back.
It's getting farther and farther along in this process. And
He's thinking right now.
love Emily. I think she's incredible. But do I think she right now is ready to be a wife? I just don't know if she is.
She does not see this coming.
Yeah, I know.
I think I can see you being my wife.
Good.
So recap, Victor, this was your first Bachelor episode watching
Of this season.
of the season, yeah. So, what did you think of what happened?
Well, I thought this episode was kind of boring. The girl with the kids, she's boring. Emily's boring. All these girls are kind of boring.
It's so boring.
Emily's talked so much about how people in Vegas and just really need to rely on my conversation skills.
Overall, yeah, very boring. Not much to do in Indiana.
Could you imagine like the outtakes? Like they had to edit so much. I bet that was boring. I feel bad for those editors. They'll get paid a lot.
All right, yeah.
See you next
Next
time.
week looks a lot more exciting. Thanks for watching the ABCs, and thanks for
Thanks,
our guest
Victor.
host, Victor.
Thanks for having me. Thanks for the food.
Oh wait, you have one more question for us.
Oh my gosh. Anna, will you accept this rose?
Yeah, absolutely.
Now we're gonna be doing live after the final rose because it's Victor's birthday and we're gonna surprise him. Shh. This is a great dessert. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.